Welcome back to the second part of our first level of your drawing skills series. I'm thrilled to continue this journey with you. As a fellow beginner who's just starting out in drawing, I know how challenging it can be to tackle more complex pieces. That's why I've been practicing with simpler anime drawing techniques to help build our skills step by step. In our last session, we worked on basic circles and lines. Today, we're moving on to exploring the structure of the head. If you're new to drawing as well, I'd love for you to join me in this practice session. Just to let you know, I'm not a professional artist like Jamar, and I'm still learning and growing in my art journey. We're in this together, and my goal is to help you understand the basics while we learn side by side. I'm bound to make some mistakes along the way, so your feedback would be incredibly valuable. Please feel free to share any comments or observations about the video, and let's improve our drawing skills together with kindness and patience. Begin by drawing a simple circle on your paper. Next, draw a vertical line and a horizontal line intersecting at the center of the circle, creating a plus sign shape. From the horizontal line, start sketching the outline of the jawline, extending it downward on each side. Ensure that both sides of the jawline connect to the vertical line at the center of the circle. This will help in establishing the basic structure for the face. Next, draw the ears by placing them on either side of the circle, aligning them with the horizontal line. Position the eyes along the horizontal line, spaced evenly on either side of the center. For the nose and mouth, use the lower vertical line as a guide. Sketch the nose centered on this line, and draw the mouth slightly below the nose, ensuring it is centered and proportionate to the rest of the facial features. If you're just starting out with drawing and feel unsure about how to create detailed facial features such as eyes, don't be concerned. It's perfectly okay to focus on the basics at this stage. Instead of worrying about getting every detail right, concentrate on practicing the basic structure of the head. You can either draw a very simple face without focusing on specific features, or just work on sketching the overall shape and proportions of the head. The main objective is to get comfortable with the fundamental structure, which will make it easier to add more detailed features later on. If you're finding drawing a bit tricky, it could be helpful to start by practicing just the jawline on its own. Begin with a simple circle as your base to outline the general shape. Keep in mind that the jawline can look different depending on your artistic style and the character you're creating. For now, focus on drawing a basic jawline that fits a typical human face. Spend some time practicing this simple shape repeatedly until you feel more comfortable and confident in drawing it. This focused practice will give you a solid foundation, making it easier to add more details to your faces as you progress. To see improvement in your art skills, it's important to dedicate at least half an hour each day to practice. Consistent daily practice helps you build muscle memory and refine your techniques. During this time, focus on different aspects of your art, such as drawing basic shapes, practicing specific features, or experimenting with new techniques. Regular practice not only improves your skills but also helps you develop a routine and stay motivated. Aim to make this practice a regular part of your daily schedule for steady progress and growth in your artistic abilities. When you're starting to draw a head, there are many angles you can explore, but as beginners, it's best to focus on three basic perspectives: the front view, the side view, and the three-quarters view. For now, we'll stick to these simpler angles and avoid more complex techniques. Begin by drawing a basic circle to represent the head. Next, draw a vertical curved line and a horizontal curved line across the circle to set up the basic structure. For the jawline, start from where the horizontal line intersects the circle and draw a line that connects to the vertical curve. Keep in mind that in the three-quarters view, one side of the jawline will look shorter than the other because of the angle. Place the eyes along the vertical line, but remember that in the three-quarters perspective, one eye will appear smaller. This is because the face is turned slightly, causing the eye farther from the viewer to be smaller. Additionally, this perspective will show a bit of the back of the head, which helps create a sense of depth in your drawing. I want to remind you that I'm not a professional artist, and I'm not here to teach you in a formal sense. I'm simply sharing some tips and knowledge based on my own experiences. If you're short on time or already have some experience with drawing, you might prefer to check out my channel for some excellent short tutorials by Jamar. However, If you have some free time and want to dive deeper, feel free to relax and watch the whole video. I hope you find the information helpful and enjoyable. Now, we are going to draw a head inside profile. Start by sketching a circle which will form the basic shape of the head. Next, add a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across the middle of the circle to serve as guides for placing the facial features. Draw a square by connecting 2 points on the horizontal line with the vertical line at the lower part of the circle. This square will help you accurately position the eyes, nose, lips, chin, and jawline. For the eyes, draw a small curved line along the horizontal guideline. Extend a straight line from the edge of the square to form the nose. Outline the lips with 2 curved lines, sketch a curve for the chin, and draw a straight line from the chin to create the jawline. Position the ear at the center of the horizontal line and draw a line from the ear down to the jaw, but leave it disconnected from the jawline. To complete the head shape, draw the eye on the horizontal line, a curve from the starting point of the face to the back of the head, and the neck extending from the back of the head down from the jawline. Finally, add any additional details you like, such as the eye's details, eyebrows, and hair. For visual aids and more guidance, you might want to check out the tutorials in the shorts section by Jamer. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. I've shared 3 methods for drawing a head, but remember, there are many other techniques out there that fit different art styles. The best way to get better at sketching is to practice regularly. If you want to add more detail and precision to your drawings, using references can be really helpful. A great resource for finding quality references is Pinterest. It's an awesome app for artists where you can search for and save images of different drawing techniques, poses, and anatomy. If you haven't tried Pinterest yet, give it a go. It's full of inspiration and useful materials to boost your drawing skills. If you're excited about improving your art skills, I highly recommend checking out Jamer's official course. This course offers detailed lessons and expert advice from a professional artist, which can help you learn faster and more effectively. You'll get step-by-step instructions and personalized feedback, making it easier to refine your techniques and understand important art concepts. I've included the link to the course in my bio and description, so you can easily find it. By joining, you'll benefit from a well-organized learning experience and guidance from a seasoned pro. If you're serious about taking your art to the next level, this course is a fantastic opportunity to consider. If you've stuck around this far, a big thank you. Your support is really appreciated. I'm excited to let you know that I'll be making more drawing content, especially for beginners. Whether you're just getting started or you've been drawing for a while, I hope these resources help you improve your skills and develop your own art style. Keep practicing and trying out new techniques. Every drawing you make is a step toward getting better. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and inspiration to support your artistic journey.